Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream from milk. First, ensure you have fresh, unhomogenized whole milk, as this is crucial for successful cream separation. You'll need about 1 gallon of milk to yield a good amount of cream. Simply pour the milk into a wide, shallow container and let it rest. This simple process allows the natural fat globules to rise, forming a distinct layer of rich cream on the surface. It's a straightforward and rewarding kitchen endeavor. The magic behind making cream from milk is a natural process called creaming. When unhomogenized milk sits still, the lighter fat globules, which are less dense than the watery milk, slowly rise to the top. This can take anywhere from 12 to 24 hours, depending on the milk's temperature and fat content. Using a wide, shallow dish, like a glass baking pan, helps speed up this separation by providing more surface area for the cream to gather efficiently. Once the cream has fully separated and formed a distinct layer, it's time to skim it off. Carefully use a large, flat spoon or a small ladle to scoop the thick cream from the top of the milk. Be gentle to avoid mixing it back in. You should be able to collect about 1 cup of cream from 1 gallon of whole milk. Transfer your freshly skimmed cream into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for several days. Now that you have your beautiful homemade cream, the possibilities are endless. You can use it to enrich your coffee, add a luxurious touch to soups, or create decadent desserts. For a delightful treat, whip it with a little sugar and vanilla to make fresh whipped cream. Remember to keep your cream refrigerated in a sealed container. It will maintain its quality and flavor for about 4 to 5 days, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.